Today we got a video from Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Police Knew He Was Hiding Something in This U-Haul.
On January 2nd, 2026, an officer conducted a traffic stop on a U-Haul truck after observing that the front windshield was damaged, and further noted that the vehicle matched the description associated with a prior domestic-related call.
Hello, Sergeant Malsheimer, I'm with TWS Police. Well, your windshield's completely smashed, so that's an issue. It's an obstruction of your view, so. Do you have your license? And then the vehicle registration, I know it's a U-Haul, but usually it's in the glove box. Oh, there isn't one? Okay. Can you hold down that window for me? For the other officer? Is it yeah. Thank you. I'll be right back with you. I was told you guys were looking for this, and I heard the window is completely shattered anyway, the windshield.
Congrats, love the pictures.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, how are you? What is up with this windshield? Can you roll that down? Does it roll down anymore? Thank you. So what happened to your windshield? It got bashed in? Who bashed it in? A friend?
Yeah, you got glass all up on your dash there.
All right, you have did they take your driver's license? Did they ask you for it? Okay. All right, my friend, I'll be right back, okay?
Hey, boss. Hey, so it smells a little bit like marijuana. You have a medical card? What? Wait, do you have a medical card? No? All right, you want to do me a favor? Just jump out for us.
Okay. Do me a favor. Come over here. This way, okay? So, being that you don't have a medical marijuana card, there's some shake in the front of the car. We can search the car, okay? Do you have anything illegal on you? No. Okay. So what he's going to do is he's going to search your pockets. All right?
I'm not going to search.
Okay, but we have probable cause. You don't have.
Yes.
That's for the vehicle, not me. I'm not going to search.
But there was illegal items in
No, there
the vehicle?
wasn't.
Yes. Would you like me to show it to you?
Yes.
Okay. Come on right over here and I'll show you, okay? Do you see this right here?
Yeah.
That's called shake. That's illegal to have.
Marijuana?
Yes, marijuana is not legal in the
It's
state
not.
of Florida.
I said it's from the greenhouse. I explained that already.
Okay, but it's still shake.
It's from the greenhouse. It's not medical marijuana.
So it's also not in the original container.
It needs to be.
It needs to be in a container, the original container from the greenhouse, regardless of what it is.
But he has a destroyed front windshield.
Yeah, but they said something about that like a couple weeks ago. They make this.
I wasn't there, but I don't know. I didn't even know this was the same call. I just pulled up to back up the traffic stop. That's all. That's the reason for the stop, because of the windshield. The traffic unit saw me with the windshield. Yeah. You guys from Florida or Arizona?
I'm from
Florida. Okay, I just saw the Arizona tag.
Literally got that from that.
Oh, the one here in town? Okay. Yeah, if they rent it to you that way. All right. Do me a favor, just stay over here. I'll let them know that that's how you guys rented it, okay? That's the other half from the 22 verbal from earlier, La Concha. He's saying that they rented it to him that way.
Okay.
We were out with this guy earlier, and he's kind of up and down.
He's saying they rented it to him that
That's
way?
what he said. He rented it here in Key West.
They were before.
Yeah.
And he's allegedly been told to route, but that's obviously
He said the same exact thing. So.
But that's obviously an instruction. And without a medical card, we can't tell whether or not it's not in a container. So that's what gives us probable cause to search the vehicle and you.
I'm not going to search.
Well, it's not a debate. It's not a choice.
Being searched.
It's not a choice, like he said. I'm not consenting to a search. Well, that's fine. We gonna get you together, though. We gonna get you together. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You don't want to act right? Okay. All right. I'm not consenting to a search. Like, you got the option right now. Turn over. Put your hands on the wall, man. Put your hands on high on the U-Haul, man. Let me pat you down, man. Let me see what you got, man. Cause you acting real suspicious, okay? Real suspicious.
face value, it looks like there's illegal items in the car. Okay. All right, come back this way.
Don't go over there.
I'm not. Don't. Hey, stop, bro. Stop.
No,
Hey.
you stop.
Get off of me.
Back up! But you're not gonna win. You're not gonna win, sir.
even fighting.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now.
He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be fine. Okay?
Y'all are detaining me, by the way. Very rough detainment.
As soon as you pull your hand away.
Okay.
Scotty! Stop! Stop!
Thank you. Not smart, sir. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Get up. Stand up.
I think y'all like are the only cops in the
you
world.
got a tough
Y'all can
guy,
be
huh?
assholes and crooked. The law is still the law. So y'all can detain me roughly, try to scare me. Y'all still just
Not right now. You need to go 25 feet over there.
Can I talk to an officer?
I am an
I ain't
officer.
gonna lie. I like that Florida 25
Right now
feet.
because he's detained. So I'm going to tell you one more time, or you're also going in cuffs. 25 feet. Go. Thank you.
Don't talk
25 feet. 25 feet.
Widen your stance.
I wasn't running.
Widen your stance.
I didn't even.
Widen your stance, sir.
I wasn't running.
Let go of this.
I can have my phone.
No.
Can I give it to my friend?
Nope.
Let go. There you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's why you didn't want to stay. That's why you wanted to walk away.
I wasn't walking. I wasn't.
So your whole I didn't do nothing story, it just fell apart. Just stop.
Yeah.
There we go. Now the rest of the story comes out. See all that racism and BS you were talking? That's all lies. All lies.
So we're not the ones being
You
asked.
sit upon a throne of lies.
You guys are still being rough for no reason. Microaggression.
No reason.
So anyway,
Yeah.
we tried to explain everything to him, and he got sassy about it. So.
Well, yeah. Plus, you're telling them where to go. We just had a domestic with this.
She said he got sassy. Oh man. Not the lady cops getting on him. I'm not gonna say nothing, you know? I'm not gonna say nothing. You see what's going on though. I wasn't gonna say nothing though. I wasn't gonna say nothing. Lady cop said he got sassy. Oh man.
Being rough for no reason. Microaggression.
No reason.
So anyway,
Yeah.
we tried to explain everything to him, and he got sassy about it. So.
Well, yeah. Plus, you're telling them where to go, and we just had a domestic with this guy allegedly.
Yeah.
You're not gonna walk over
No.
to this guy and then go the opposite direction.
No.
You go. Nobody else is in there, right?
No, I mean, we didn't check the back, but
Come on, buddy.
It's always
Oh yeah, good boy. He ready to work. I love when the K9 come out.
Man, you don't know what violence is, buddy. If you think that's violent, you've never experienced violence. What's that Velcro for, boy? Holding up your pants? My mouth? It's actually kind of funny.
You got him. I'm gonna get Jimmy.
Yeah, it's fine. Widen your stance again. You got anything up in your crotch? All right. Listen, partner. If you got anything else on you, let me know. If you introduce it to the jail, it's going to be another felony, okay? And they're going to scan you.
Wait, this is a felony?
It's a felony. All right? Go ahead and take a seat. I don't know what this is all about, was that it? Go on, Cole.
What's that?
I take it this is his other half.
Yeah, that's what Beer Guy was telling me, is that
Okay.
he's the other half of the domestic at the Casa Arena, I guess.
Well, I thought he was.
I mean, those two.
Yeah, I didn't know who this
I mean,
guy was. Yeah.
Yeah, so he's the other half of driver.
Okay, got it.
Lipstick.
Ah, good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. Let's go, boy.
They got plants. A pound.
Hidey holes here, look. Pay attention to these little details. This would be a perfect hidey hole for something, right? All right, so we got some pills in here that don't belong in this bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Xanax. This is a pain relief acetaminophen.
So are let's see what
Well,
the blue
5525.
ones.
Looks like he's eating half of them.
Got a scale. Goes in the trash. Not much, but. And then.
That's the weight right here.
The male subject was charged with resisting arrest and 2 counts of possession of a controlled substance, specifically marijuana and methamphetamine. Following review of the related domestic incident, no criminal charges were filed in that matter.
Meth? God dang. Yeah, man. When you start acting real suspicious, man, that just heightens the situation. They're like, wait, hold on. Because a normal person wouldn't react like that. They're like, wait. Why you what? Nah. Got them together. You know what I'm saying? Then you hiding it on your person? On your actual self? Yeah, he was trying to make a run for it. That's why he kept running towards, you know, his partner or whatever the case be, or trying to walk towards his partner and all that stuff. But nah, they got him right. They got him right, man. So anyway, cops get a 5. They did a good job, man. This was this some fresh footage. I ain't gonna lie. We already got footage for 2026, man. Now this is fresh. I ain't gonna lie. This fresh off the press. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.